This is Eric Holloway with the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Today's weather includes a big ridge of high pressure out there in the eastern Bering Sea, 1,028 millibars there, a couple of weak troughs through the western interior along the western Brooks Range, driving some rain showers light across those areas. Otherwise, some fog through much of the Bering Sea and along the Arctic coast. Lastly, another low in the Gulf of Alaska, 1,008 millibars there with a weakening occluded front. Also a ridge poking into southeast Alaska with 1,019 millibars there. Lastly, a weak warm front out there in the western Aleutians moving northward. We'll be talking about that. But otherwise, we do have a couple special weather statements to talk about. High water on the Koyukuk River later this week with rainfall expected. And again, high rainfall expected in the central and eastern Brooks Range will drive some high water in those areas again later this week. Lastly, we do have a flood advisory out for the Sag and Park River out there on the central Beaufort Sea coast, and that advisory is out until 6 a.m. on Wednesday. Then for tonight's weather, that low at western Aleutians drives further north, 1,009 millibar low there with an occluded front triple point moving into the western Bering Sea. Otherwise, that ridge of high pressure moving into the western coast of Alaska, 1,030 millibars there, a couple of weak troughs moving east through the interior. And then for Wednesday's weather, that low in the Bering Sea moves further north, 1,007 millibars there, again with a occluded front triple point moving through the central Bering Sea. And that ridge of high pressure now firmly over the western coast of Alaska and into south central. And again, weak troughs in the interior will drive some lingering rain showers and afternoon thunderstorms for Wednesday across the eastern interior. And lastly, another ridge of high pressure in the Gulf of Alaska, 1,031 millibars there. Then for Thursday's weather, that low in the Bering Sea drives further north into extreme eastern Russia, bringing some lingering rain showers across the west coast. That ridge now dampened into the northern Pacific with 1,034 millibars there, another ridge over in the Gulf of Alaska, 1,023 millibars there, and weakening trough in the right around the border area, driving some weak rain showers and maybe a few thunderstorms again on Thursday. With Alaska statewide weather, this is Eric Holloway.